So you can actually see that this person has actually made this amount of funds, and this and many more on this platform. So welcome back to my channel. Now today we have something special to give to you in this channel. So there's this particular platform which is like an AI chat bot, and you're going to be getting rewards. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with it and how you can set up an account for yourself. Now a lot of people are into it, so I got this information not quite long, so I decided to also share it here with my community. You'll be amazed with what you'll be getting right in this video. So it is not a video where you just want to watch and skip. So what you'll be learning right here is something that you just need to follow me step by step, and I'll be showing you the same process. You know how we do it right on this platform, no gatekeeping, and you're getting the full value of what I'm going to be explaining today. So but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online and also make reviews of some platforms right on this channel. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube will notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. Now before I dive in, I'll be listing out the requirements that will be needed for this update. Yes, for this update, most of you will actually love this update because you don't have disqualification at all on this update. Nothing like disqualification, and just like service, okay, just like service, and they pay very well. So however, know that this video is for educational purpose. You can also do your own research to get proper understanding on how it works. So right here, what we'll be needing as one of the requirements is a temporary US number. Okay, so everything I'll be listing right here, please follow it if you want to get the same results. Okay, don't do otherwise. I said what you'll be getting first of all is a temporary US number. You can actually use a permanent US number if you have the funds to get that, but only what you need is just a one-time OTP for the registration. That is why I said we'll be needing a temporary US number, not a UK number, US number. And the other thing we'll be needing right here is VPN. Okay, so this VPN you're seeing right here is what is recommended. Don't go ahead to use another VPN. I have not tried it, so what I tried is what I'm actually showing to you. So this is the VPN you are going to be using. You can come over to your Google Play Store so you can download the particular VPN. So once you come over to your Play Store, you're going to be seeing just come right here and search for Wire VPN. Okay, so search for Wire VPN. So this is the VPN right here. I already have it on my account on my device. You can see it right here. So it is called the Wire VPN. So once you've gotten that and you've gotten your temporary number, the next thing you want to get right here is a fresh email address you'll be using for this. Now I'll be showing us how we can actually loot. There's what is called looting. Some of you might have heard of looting. What looting actually means is when you actually want to get multiple accounts on a particular platform. Okay, so you can also get that and also have more advantage on this platform. Now the last thing you'll be needing right here is a PayPal account. So you need PayPal account for you to withdraw your earnings on this platform. Okay, so you need PayPal account to withdraw your earnings. Now I have made so many videos on this particular channel on how you can get a PayPal account and start leveraging online. Now with that being said, after getting all these things, the next thing you want to do right now is to get multiple email for some of us that want to loot. Now to get that, come right to your browser. Okay, just come right to your browser, and what you'll be typing right here is Gmail metal generator. So you just come right here and see what I'm going to be doing right now. So you come right here and type in this right here, just put in this particular word, Gmail metal generator. Okay, this is it. So it's going to load up right here. Just give it some seconds. So it's going to load up right now. So it's going to load up. So once it loads up, you're going to be clicking this first one right here. Just click on it, so you'll be brought to this particular interface. So right here, this is the email I want to use. I'll come right here and put in the email I want to use right here. This is the particular email I'll be using right here. So once you come right here, just come right to put the main email you have created. So you'll be creating a particular email for this, okay, and you'll be getting multiple similar email. So I'm going to be using this like this. So this is the email I'll be using for this. So you can see right here that this is actually email generator. It says generate alternative email addresses for free using email.trick. All emails sent to the following email address will appear in your inbox. So just click on generate. So once you click on generate, you're going to be seeing multiple emails you can use right here. So you can see where it says number of possible alliances. So these are the number of alliances. That means you can go ahead to use all these emails to loot. You can see that right here. So these are the emails that I'll be using for this. So what I'm going to do right now is to come right here and copy anyone I want to use right here. So once I come right here, I'm just going to be copying anyone I want to use for the account creation. So right now I've copied this. Now the next thing we want to do right now is to go over to our VPN. So you need to turn your VPN. This is how you're going to be getting to turn your VPN. Once you click on that, you are going to be brought into this interface. Now come right here, click on this particular interface right here. So the next thing you want to do is to come right here and select North America. So once you selected North America, come right here and select the United States of America. Then come right here and select Dallas, USA. So come right here and tap on this. So you are going to be getting connected to this particular VPN. So you come right here and turn the VPN on. As you can see right now that we are connected to this VPN. So this is how you're going to be getting connected. So once you are connected, the next thing you want to do is to come right over to the number you want to use. We just need to select get a US number on this particular platform. Now on this particular app, you also need to set up an account for yourself. So once you go ahead to click on any number, because we'll be going over to public numbers, it will prompt you to set up an account for yourself. So if you come right here to click anything, it will ask you to create a profile. So what you just want to do is to make sure you're creating a profile for yourself. So what you're going to be doing now is to create an account. If you don't have an account, come right here and put in your email. So let's come right here and create an account for ourselves. It's very simple. Then click on sign in if you have an account already. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to create one. So you just need to sign up and create an account for yourself. Come right here and put in your name. So I'm going to come right here and put in any name. Let me just put in Joaking. Then set a password. You set a password for yourself. So most times if it prompts you to create an account, just go ahead to create an account for yourself. Or most times you might not be prompted to create an account for yourself, but what we need right here is just to get our public numbers. Now for you to get your US number, come right to public numbers. You're going to be seeing different countries which you can use for your verification. So right here, what we actually need is the United States. So click on the United States for your numbers. Okay, to make this very easy, all you're just going to do right now is to make sure you pick a number which has appeared on this particular platform before. Don't go ahead to pick the new numbers, but you can go ahead to pick the new numbers if you want. So right here, I'm going to come right here. I'm going to pick this one. So once I pick this, I'm going to favorite this number so I can actually get to have it on my favorite list. Okay, so just come right here and click on this star. So you have successfully favorited that number. So you can also come back here and also pick another number you want to use. Okay, so these are free numbers, but they are one-time OTP. So I'm going to favorite this one as well. So we just come down to this star and click on favorite. So once you're done with that, come right here, come over to the home button, come right to my favorite. So once you come over to my favorite, you are going to be seeing the numbers you have favorited. So with all this that we have put in place, let's now dive into this platform and see how this platform works. Okay, so now that we have put everything in place, the next thing you want to do is to go to any of your browser and make sure your VPN is on. Come to your browser and type this ECHOM. Okay, so type that and you are going to be brought into this interface. Now go ahead and click this first one. This is where the practical comes in place. This is the main survey of this platform. Now when you click on that, you're going to be brought into this interface. I want you to pay close attention to this moment. Okay, so you can see help not hype, ads built for conversation. So right on this platform claims to pay users when they have conversations with the AI. So you are making conversations on this platform and you're getting rewards, just like advanced surveys with AI. Every platform shift creates new rails. Google built them for the web. Echo is building them for AI. Advertisers reach real intent. Developers monetize without shun. Users get chat that feels like help not spam. But these are what you're going to be getting. So when you come right here, you can actually see the informations on this platform and rewards for every conversations right on this platform. Free access to LLM models, starts earning. Now before we dive into it, and before I go ahead to show you what you need to know and the proper understanding of this Echo platform, you can come right here and see that this is actually monetization without paywalls. Echo aligns revenue with how chat actually works. Every conversation becomes profitable without subscription or paywalls. So right here, you're actually chatting with an AI and you're getting rewards for it. So I am going to be showing you some without proofs made by some people. So you can actually see that this person has actually made this amount of funds, and you can see the other one and this. So this and many more on this platform. So this is actually a proof that this platform pays, that many people are into it, so you are not to be left out right on this platform. Okay, so it's very user friendly and you can start up right now. Now let me walk you through the process of registration and how you can get started. But before that, you can see right here, earners, AI developers, advertisers, and AI optimization. So these are basically what is going on this platform. Use AI for free and rewards while you chat. So it is very simple. You're chatting with an AI and you're getting rewards for it. Now to start up with this platform, all you just need to do is to come right to this particular interface. You can see start earning. So right here, click on start earning. Now you'll be brought into this interface like this. Now this is a process where you'll be inserting all the details that you've gotten from the beginning of this video. So we are going to be coming right here and we are going to put in our full name on this particular interface. Okay, so let me go ahead to put in my name. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I'm going to come right here and paste that email address I created from that temp mail. So we are going to minimize this right here and we are going to come right here and we make sure we are selecting one of the mails we have copied, one of the mails we have generated from this. So let me go with the third one. Okay, so let me go with this third one. Let me go with the third one right here. Okay, so or you can still go with the first one depending on you. Let's go with the first one. So you copy this and you come right here, you paste this. Okay, you come right here and you paste this right here. Okay, so that is the email we have gotten from this particular stuff. So you are going to come right here and click on start earning. So this is the process of your registration. You can see right now that it's actually submitting. Now we are going to be going over to the next interface of the registration. So the next thing you want to do right now is to make sure you put in your password. So we are going to be putting in our password right here. Make sure you follow this process so you also get the exact result that is required. Okay, so I'm going to put in the password right here and I'm going to click on continue right here. So the next thing you want to do now is to go over to your temp number and you're going to come right here. You're going to come right here. This is the number we favorited, so just hold on. We are going to copy that temporary number we generated. So this is the number. So we are going to come right here. We are going to hit the number and we are going to come right here and we are going to copy this number. So you can see that the number ends with 63. So this is the number. Let's just hold on for a while. So this is the number. We've copied this number and we come right here. We come right here and paste that number. Just hold on. So we come right here and paste that number. Come right here and paste that number. So once you've pasted that number, you also come right here and click on send verification code. Okay, so most times you get something like this, so we have to change this number. So let me try another number. Let's come right here. So let's go back. Let's come right here. Come to public number. Come to public number and click on United States. Click on United States. So let's pick this particular one. Let's pick this third one that ends with 66. So we private it. So we come right here. We go over to our private number. So you'll be sure that you're copying that number. So come over to your private number. So we are picking this particular one that ends with 66. So I'll be going with this one. Once you try a particular number and it's not going, you come right here and change it. There are lots of numbers on your temp number. So let's click on send verification. Let's get to see this number. Okay, So it seems we can't actually generate a code from this particular number. So I'm going to use this particular number for my numero USA. So once I'm done inputting that this particular number, I'm going to come right here and click on send verification code. Now a verification code will be sent to my number. Okay, so right now I just need to confirm that a code has been sent and come back right here and paste that digit that has been sent to my number. When you come over to my numero account, you can actually see that a code has been sent to my number. So I made a video on that, on how you can actually get an account on numero and get started with it. It is very simple. Okay, so right now I'm going to insert this code that I got, which is this. I'm going to insert this code right here. Okay, so I'm going to insert this code to confirm my account. I'm going to come down right here and I'm going to click on verify code. You can see phone verified. So go ahead to click on continue. Okay, right here you can see all sets, create account below. So come right here and create account. So this is actually the next steps you just need to follow. Now when you proceed, you are likely to get something like this: service unavailable. This is what you're going to be doing. For now, this particular platform is unavailable. So what you just need to do is to try it on different occasions if you are going to be given access. But on or before, we have free access to this particular platform. But recently, this is what we are getting right on this platform. So all you just need to do is to make sure you're using a strong VPN to have access to this platform. So what you just need to do, once you sign in, you're going to be having chats with the AI right here, just like when you're training an AI. I have listed different topics you can actually go on chatting with this AI. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to be seeing your balance and everything right on this platform. And so that is how to actually start up with this platform and start chatting AI right on this particular platform. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any question, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. So see you on my next video and keep winning.